An open fridge with a few random leftovers, half an onion, some cheese, a lonely carrot. Instead of scrolling through cookbooks, more people are turning to AI tools that scan what's on hand and suggest dishes in seconds. These systems work by parsing ingredient lists from thousands of recipes, then matching them against what you type or photograph. Some apps use natural language processing to understand vague entries like a bit of cilantro or some chicken thighs, while others incorporate computer vision to identify items from a photo. The result is a short list of meals that use what you already have, often with substitution options if you're missing something. Behind the scenes, these models are trained on massive datasets of recipe databases, nutritional info, and user feedback to improve accuracy over time. The takeaway is simple. AI isn't just for chatbots or image generation. It's quietly helping home cooks waste less food and discover new meals from the odds and ends already in the kitchen.